Today, we're exploring 5 activities that are scientifically proven to enhance brain development and keep your mind sharp. Whether you're looking to improve memory, focus, or creativity, these activities have got you covered. Our brains are incredibly complex organs that need constant stimulation to stay healthy and perform at their best. In this video, we'll go through 5 amazing activities that can help you think faster, remember more, and stay mentally agile. Be sure to check out the 4th activity, as it's a highly controversial opinion. Let's dive in. Number 1. Learning a new language. Learning a new language is one of the best workouts for your brain. It engages multiple areas of the brain, including those involved in memory, problem solving, and creativity. Studies have shown that bilingualism delays the onset of Alzheimer's and dementia. The process of memorizing new vocabulary and grammar rules helps strengthen neural connections, making your brain more efficient. So whether it's Spanish, Mandarin, or even sign language, picking up a new language can be a fun and effective way to keep your brain sharp. Number 2. Playing a musical instrument. Have you ever thought about picking up a guitar or learning to play the piano? Playing a musical instrument is like a full-body workout for your brain. It involves listening, coordinating, and fine motor skills, all of which activate different parts of your brain. This not only improves cognitive functions like memory and concentration, but also enhances emotional processing and creativity. Musicians have been found to have larger brain volumes in areas related to coordination and auditory processing, showing that making music truly shapes your brain. Number 3. Regular physical exercise. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Activities like running, cycling, or even brisk walking increase blood flow to the brain, which helps to deliver oxygen and essential nutrients. Physical exercise stimulates the release of growth factors that promote the formation of new neurons and enhance synaptic plasticity, which is critical for learning and memory. Studies show that regular physical activity can help reduce cognitive decline and even improve mood and mental health. So next time you hit the gym, remember, your brain is getting a workout too. Number 4. Video games. Surprise! Not all video games are mindless entertainment. In fact, many video games can actually boost brain development. Fast-paced action games improve reaction times and decision-making abilities, while strategy games enhance problem-solving skills and cognitive flexibility. Some games require multitasking, which can improve attention and working memory. Research shows that playing video games can increase gray matter in the brain, particularly in areas involved in spatial navigation, memory formation, and fine motor skills. So the next time you pick up a controller, know that you're not just playing, you're exercising your brain. Number 5. Puzzles and brain games. Activities like crossword puzzles, Sudoku, chess, or digital brain training games are fantastic for enhancing cognitive abilities. These puzzles challenge your brain to think critically, strategize, and solve problems, which helps to improve memory and cognitive flexibility. Engaging in these mentally stimulating activities regularly can create new neural connections and even promote neurogenesis, the formation of new neurons. Studies have found that people who regularly engage in puzzles and brain games have better memory and cognitive function, especially as they age. Number 6. Cooking. Cooking is a fantastic brain-boosting activity that combines creativity, problem-solving, and sensory experience. Following a recipe requires attention to detail, measuring ingredients, and timing, all of which involve cognitive functions like planning, memory, and multitasking. Experimenting with new recipes or cooking techniques can also enhance creativity and mental flexibility. Plus, the act of cooking engages multiple senses, which can help improve memory and sensory processing abilities. So, there you have it, 6 incredible activities that can boost your brain development and keep your mind sharp. Learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, exercising, cooking, and solving puzzles are all fun and effective ways to give your brain a workout. By the way, we purposely added a mistake in this video. Were you able to notice it? If you did, then it is a good sign of mental alertness and sharpness. Let us know in the comments below which brain-boosting activity you are most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your mental performance. And hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.